Tired of boring car interiors that make every drive feel the same? Most interior LED lights promise amazing colors and easy installation, but leave you with dim lighting, poor adhesive, or complicated setup. Keep watching to discover 5 products that actually deliver on their promises and transform your driving experience. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the Honalia Car Lights interior. And here's the thing about this product. It takes a different approach with hard light bars instead of flexible strips. The double-row LED design provides wider light coverage with a 180-degree angle, which definitely makes the colors more vivid compared to single-row alternatives. The standout feature here is the built-in microphone for music synchronization. When you're driving and your favorite song comes on, the lights actually dance with the beat, which adds genuine entertainment value during those late-night drives. And the app control offers 16 million color combinations, so you can match your mood or theme perfectly. Installation is straightforward with strong double-sided tape, and the 2-line design helps hide wiring under your car mats. You also get a control box for quick adjustments without grabbing your phone, which is convenient when you're already on the road. However, here are some things to consider. The hard light bar design means less flexibility for curved surfaces, so it might not fit perfectly in every vehicle. Some users report durability issues after several months of use, with lights occasionally stopping mid-drive. The adhesive works well initially, but you might need additional securing methods for long-term installation. Actually, if you want something more flexible for custom installations, you might want to keep watching for our upcoming options. Moving on to number 4, the Winzwon interior LED lights offer USB power instead of cigarette lighter connection, which is actually safer and generates less heat. This makes them particularly good if you have kids who might touch the installation areas. The extra-long cable design accommodates larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs without requiring extensions. And when you activate music mode, the built-in microphone responds well to different music types, creating that party atmosphere you're looking for during road trips. The app control lets you customize colors and brightness, though the interface isn't as intuitive as some competitors. You can create your own color combinations, which works great for special occasions or matching your car's interior theme. Installation flexibility is another plus. These strips bend easily to fit gaps and curves, and the waterproof design handles occasional spills without damage. Things to consider with this option. The brightness levels vary significantly depending on your car's USB output power. Some vehicles provide sufficient power, while others leave you with underwhelming illumination. The adhesive strength is inconsistent. It holds well on clean metal surfaces, but struggles with textured plastics. Keep in mind that color accuracy can be off, especially with blues and purples that sometimes appear washed out. The app connectivity occasionally drops, requiring reconnection mid-drive, which can be frustrating. If consistent brightness and reliable connectivity are priorities, you'll want to consider our next option instead. Taking the 3rd spot, the QVEVDACAR LED strip lights come with a 5-in-1 design that includes 236 inches of fiber optic cable. The key advantage here is the fiber optic system, which provides more even light distribution compared to standard LED strips. This system works well for creating ambient lighting throughout your entire cabin. The 29 preset modes give you variety without needing to customize everything manually, and the music synchronization responds accurately to bass and treble changes. The 12-volt operation includes short-circuit protection and memory function, so your last settings stay active when you restart your car. You can install the fiber optic cables in tight spaces where traditional strips won't fit, like door seals and dashboard gaps. The brightness adjustment range from the app gives you precise control, from subtle accent lighting to party-level illumination for special occasions. Things to consider. The fiber optic ends can appear dim compared to the main LED units, and you might need additional LED lights at endpoints for consistent brightness. Installation becomes more complex with all the fiber optic routing. Expect to spend significantly more time getting everything positioned correctly. Actually, the excess cable length creates clutter, and you'll need patience to organize all the wiring properly. Some users experience uneven illumination where certain fiber sections appear brighter than others. At At number 2, we have the WEBUPAR car LED strip lights with an impressive 6-in-1 design featuring 315 inches of integrated fiber optic cable. The integrated design means no threading fiber through tubes, which saves considerable installation time. The light transmission quality is noticeably better than separate fiber systems, providing more consistent brightness throughout the entire length. You get both remote control for quick changes and app control via Bluetooth for detailed customization. The remote offers 8 static colors plus jump and fade modes, while the app provides 16 million color options with brightness control from 1% to 100%. The timing function lets you set automatic on-off schedules, which is convenient for daily commuters. 2 power connection options, cigarette lighter or direct wiring, give you flexibility based on your vehicle's setup. The music synchronization responds well to voice and ambient sounds, not just loud music. Things to consider. The installation instructions come in Asian languages, making setup challenging for English-only readers. You'll need to rely on online resources or trial and error for proper installation. Because of the extensive fiber optic length, wire management becomes crucial. Excess cable creates visual clutter if not properly hidden, and the multiple connection points increase potential failure spots. Some users report the lights stopping after several hours of use, suggesting possible overheating or power management issues. Color accuracy problems also occur, particularly with custom color mixing through the app. Our number 1 choice for the best interior LED lights for cars goes to the Govee Car LED Lights, and here's exactly why this product stands out from everything else we've covered. The 2-line design with 4 LED strips provides excellent coverage without excessive wiring complexity. Installation is genuinely simple. Clean the surface, peel and stick, then use the support clips for extra security. The rubber tubing protection handles water spills and protects against damage. The Govee Home app delivers reliable connectivity and intuitive controls. You can choose from 16 million colors, adjust brightness with precision, and switch to music mode instantly. The app rarely disconnects, unlike some competitors, making it dependable for regular use. Music synchronization accuracy is impressive. The built-in microphone picks up subtle audio changes and translates them into smooth color transitions. Whether you're listening to classical music or heavy metal, the response feels natural and engaging. The $20 price point offers exceptional value considering the build quality and feature set. The colors appear accurate and vibrant, especially reds and blues that often look washed out in other products. Things to consider. The adhesive performance varies depending on surface texture and temperature. Some users need zip ties for permanent installation on textured surfaces. The light output, while good for ambient lighting, won't provide task lighting for reading or detailed work. You know what makes this the top choice? The combination of reliable performance, user-friendly design, and consistent results make it perfect for both first-time buyers and experienced car modifiers. Each of these interior LED options brings something different to your driving experience. If this helped you choose the right lighting setup, hit that like button and subscribe for more car accessory reviews.